Overnight sticky buns have been a reader and family favorite for years, and they are so easy to make. So you're gonna start with a bundt pan, and I've sprayed this, you can grease it. And then you're gonna take a half cup of chopped pecans. You could use walnuts or raisins, you could use a mix. My family likes pecans. And then you're going to take a box of Jell-O cook and serve pudding. We like vanilla, you can use butterscotch. The key is cook and serve, not instant. 3-ounce box and 3/4 cups of brown sugar. You're gonna put that into a mixing bowl, and then you're gonna open your pudding and add that to your bowl. You're just gonna mix that together. And just take a minute or so. If you have a few lumps in there, they're gonna work their way out when they're cooking. So once you have that pretty much combined, you're gonna set it aside. Now we're gonna take frozen bread rolls. You want a 2-pound bag. Some stores will have 3-pound bags. In that case, it's fine. You just use 24 of them, and the recipe on the blog details that. You want the frozen dough, and they're like a flattened golf ball size. You're gonna take those and just put them all over the bottom of the bundt pan. And then you take the brown sugar pudding mixture and sprinkle that all over top. As it cooks, this is what is gonna form that sticky syrup that tastes so good and smells amazing. So you get that all over top. Then the final step is a stick of butter that you've cubed. And you just dot that all over the top. At this point, you need to cover it. So you're gonna take a piece of plastic wrap and you're gonna put it over the top. If you find it's not really sticking, you can take a piece of aluminum foil and just crimp that over the edges. You're gonna leave this on the counter overnight. If you put it in the fridge, it won't rise. So when you wake up in the morning, the dough is gonna be right about at the surface, and they will be ready to bake. That's all you need to do. Simple prep. You go to bed, you wake up, and an amazing breakfast will be ready to put in the oven. So the pan has rested on the counter overnight. In the morning, you're going to uncover it, and they've risen very nicely. They've come up right above the top of the pan. If your kitchen is really warm or you've slept in really late and they're popping up a little too far, starting to pop out of the pan, you can take your hands and just gently press them down. You don't want to squish them and really deflate them, but it's okay to take them just right above the level of the pan. Then I like to put the pan on a baking sheet just in case you have any drips in the oven. It'll catch them. And then 350 oven, 25 minutes, give or take 5 depending on your oven. You want to cook until the top is lightly golden and they're cooked through. And your kitchen is going to smell like the corner bakery.